Snowflake Earnings Release Analysis. August 23, 2023 Post-Market. Please like, share and comment on this video. Appreciate your support. Disclaimer. This video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action. Snowflake is scheduled to report its Q2 2024 earnings on August 23, 2023 after market close. Snowflake has openly addressed its challenges which came because of cost pressures, emphasizing adaptability and resilience. The guidance they shared for Q2 has indicate ambitious growth and confidence in their solutions despite the challenges they also addressed. What to look out in this latest earnings report? From Snowflake guidance we can see an ambitious but can be attained path. Snowflake has expected a revenue beat for Q2 but it will be very close to estimate. This should give investors confidence of a promising second half of 2023. Snowflake has anticipated a significant 27% growth for the second half period. I would consider this as high with the challenges they faced. I would like to see how Snowflake can demonstrate the confidence in its solutions and what plans they have to progressively drive growth. Though the guidance provide a guidance which is incremental, but I think investors wants to know how this shall play out. Maybe we can look at some of steps that Snowflake have undertaken to overcome the challenges and also part of their strategic growth plan. Neeva acquisition and impact on operational margin outlook. As part of Snowflake innovation expansion, they are always looking out to increase their solutions offerings. This is the reason why Neeva's cutting-edge search technology, which Snowflake hoped to bring to enterprise level. But this came at a cost. The Neeva acquisition has made Snowflake recalibrate their operational margin target. They decide to revise its FY24 operating margin target, adjusting it from 6% to 5%. Though Snowflake has taken a distinct course of action in terms of net new sales representative hires, signaling a period of strategic reflection. Unexpected sequential CRPO decline. Snowflake experienced their first ever sequential decline in CRPO, contracted remaining performance obligations, by a substantial $70 million. This decline indicates that new bookings are facing a challenging time. This could bring Snowflake to examine deeper on what are the factors affecting customer engagement and new commitments. In this video I will be looking at Snowflake fundamental data and also use technical analysis to look at how Snowflake has been trading. Snowflake, earnings data. With challenges addressed openly, Snowflake might be able to meet or slightly beat the EPS estimate. There might be some operational margin concerns to be addressed. I believe this decline in operational margin could be overcome by their strategy review. Snowflake, earnings history. Snowflake has beaten the past two quarters by quite a significant margins, and so I would expect EPS estimate to be beaten by slight margin. This is because they have to factor in the operational margin decline coming from a new acquisition. Snowflake, financial overview. Revenue might come in higher but the operating expenses might go out. This would affect the margins, but this is something to look out for. How much would the decline be? Overall, I believe the next factor to look out is new commitment, because that is an indication of how many new bookings can Snowflake look forward to. Snowflake, year-to-date earnings. Snowflake has returned more than 10% YTD, and if the challenges are incrementally overcome through 2023, I foresee that Snowflake return could be well in the 20%. They would need to come up with a strategy which is to maintain customer engagement and new bookings. Customers are also shifting to their competitor, Databricks, though their customer base is not as large. Snowflake, corporate insider transactions. As we can see, there is an informative sales of shares worth $88.5 million in the last 3 months. This does not sit well with me when Snowflake has addressed their guidance confidently even though there are challenges faced. I would expect corporate insiders to be the one pushing the limits and strategy to gain significant growth. Snowflake, Snow, Hedge Funds Holdings. Hedge funds has decreased their holdings by 1.9 m shares last quarter. Although the guidance is full of confidence and Snowflake looks to have a good strategy to overcome the challenges, hedge funds' confidence does not tell. The competitive landscape Snowflake is in will have more dynamic challenges. This would require strategic maneuvering to stay on top of the game. Snowflake, Snow, Sentiment Analysis. Investors are positive about Snowflake's outlook and the portfolios have increased by 0.3% in the last 7 days. In the last 30 days, portfolio increased by 0.8%. This is understandable as Snowflake is a leader in the data warehousing sector and the sector would very much complement the AI implementation. Technical Analysis, Simple Moving Averages, SMA. Snowflake is in a bull trend. Its current price is below SMA 50 and SMA 200, this normally indicate a trend change. I hope Snowflake earnings continue on a positive growth else it will bear trend. Technical Analysis, Relative Strength Index, RSI. RSI is seen to be moving towards overbought region. Are we expecting some selling before Snowflake release its earnings? I would think investors might be watching how the price action play out on August 23, 2023 before the earnings announcement. Technical Analysis, Average Directional Index, ADX. ADX just touched 20 which indicate a weak trend. But plus D is below D which suggests that Snowflake might be go through a bearish downside movement. I hope to see an improvement to see a reversal if Snowflake provide a very positive earnings result and also guidance. Technical Analysis, Parabolic SAR, SAR. Snowflake has a bearish reversal in early August. After which, it was trading in a bearish downside. If we look from SAR, the bearish downside looks like it is going to continue for a while. Questions we might need to ask is whether a positive earnings and outlook can help to make a trend change for Snowflake. Summary. Based on what I observed, Snowflake has a pretty good fundamental but its recent price traded seem to point to a bearish downside movement. Will we see Snowflake having a trend change and move into a more bullish trend? This would give confidence to investors on how Snowflake share price could go higher. What is important I am looking is the strategy for growth. This might help Snowflake how they are going to navigate their challenges. I will be watching the price action and also investors' sentiment on August 23, 2023. Appreciate if you could share your thoughts in the comment section whether you think Snowflake share price would go up if there is a very positive earnings and outlook. Disclaimer. This video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action. Please like, share and comment on this video. Appreciate your support.